We're talking about roof maintenance today. All you need is a caulking gun, a little bit of cleaning tools. First off, things we're looking at is to see if it's cracked or if there's any exposed screw heads or anything like that. Before we start, it's a good idea, clean the surface you want to seal. Mild detergent so you don't damage the roof. Then you're going to want to let it dry. After it dries, we're going to apply what's called Dicor self-leveling lap sealant. Now this is tan, so I'm going to be using a tan color. They also have it in white. It's just a matter of putting into your caulking gun and then just squeezing it over top. Now you're going to want to put about a 3/8 thick bead. And this stuff is self-leveling, so don't worry about how pretty it looks or doesn't look, as it will level and look good when you're done. Roof maintenance is quite an easy thing to do as long as it's properly maintained on an annual or biannual basis.